So with all the news lately about AI, I thought this was a very interesting story about the chat.com website or domain name. And so I did a search on Google to find out more about it. And I asked, was chat.com just sold for 8 figures? Well, what does that look like? That's $10 million to $99,999,999. So somewhere in that range, it appears chat.com was sold. And if we scroll down here, we come to this LinkedIn post, which I've opened in a separate page here. So Dharmesh, he is the CTO and founder at HubSpot. And I've also pulled up some of those web pages and some YouTube sites, which have really great information on them about many different topics that you may want to check out. But here is the news. Looks like it was posted here 4 days ago, and he says, breaking news, the rumors are true. He bought the domain name chat.com. He's not disclosing the exact price yet, but it's 8 figures, and it's the most expensive domain name transaction that he's ever been involved with. He goes on to say that he purchased it himself, not his company, and he says he's not planning on rebranding chatspot.ai, which we're going to take a quick look at also, to chat.com. He likes the name chatspot.ai, and it's been serving them well. And he goes on to say here in number 3, the reason he bought chat.com is simple. I think chat-based UX is the next big thing in software. Communicating with computers and software through a natural language interface is much more intuitive. This is made possible by generative AI. Chat.com is absolutely brilliant in terms of simplicity, shortness, and being totally on point and meeting the moment. It immediately creates user trust. Somebody, not him, will build a massively successful product or company on it. And number 5, he says he usually doesn't sell domain names, but if he makes a profit on this one, he will make a large donation. Anyway, I think it's just indicative of what is going on in the AI space right now, and chat.com for 8 figures is pretty insane. So lastly, I thought I would ask ChatGPT, and I am using the paid for ChatGPT Plus account. So here I've selected the ChatGPT 4 model. So I'm getting the latest information. And I asked it about the chat.com domain name. Of course, its cutoff was September 2021, so it doesn't know about this latest development. But it was just saying here that it was a domain name associated with online chat services. Then I asked it about Dharmesh, and you can see what it wrote about Dharmesh here. An entrepreneur, software developer, author, best known as the co-founder and CTO of HubSpot. He founded that company in 2006, according to ChatGPT, and has grown to become a leading player in the marketing software industry. Was born in India, moved to the United States, earned a bachelor's degree in computer science, and then a master's degree in management of technology from MIT. And he's also involved in startup and entrepreneurial communities. That's a hard word to say. He has been a mentor and angel investor to numerous startups. Additionally, he is a regular speaker at industry events and conferences and shares his knowledge and experience through his personal blog on startups.com. And also co-authored a book, Inbound Marketing, Get Found Using Google, Social Media, and Blogs with Brian Halligan. The book provides insights and advice for businesses to attract, engage, and delight customers in using inbound marketing strategies. So I just thought I would ask ChatGPT to see what it knew about Dharmesh. So there you go. In part 2 of this video, I'm going to talk more about Dharmesh's website and new AI tool called chatspot.ai. So you may want to stay tuned for that. And again, thanks for watching the video. If you like this channel, please like and subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified when I post new content.